Hey everyone, this video is mostly about app runner. So let's get into the video, guys. So app runner is nothing but a serverless application model, guys. Serverless application model. What it is going to do is it is going to deploy a web containerized applications. Deploy containerized web applications. That is the main thing that you need to know when you are going to the app runner, guys. So what is app runner? So this is the definition for this app runner. Let's see what is the issue that is solving right now. Use case. Now consider if you are going to create an infrastructure, guys, like a dev environment or stage or QA or project, anything of your own. Okay, consider you need to set up for this. If you consider you need to set up load balancer, or if you need to set up auto scaling group. If you're going to create a server, means then you need to create a EC2. Then you need to map to a domain. You need to have a certificate, and you need to enable monitoring and logging, which is an observability. So these are the things that you need to configure when you are creating a complete infrastructure, guys. So this will take much more time to create an infrastructure and creating all the services, guys. So what is the app runner is doing means it is going to take care of all those services like load balancer, auto scaling, server, domain, certificate for domain. That is all the things are taken care by the app runner, guys. When you are creating a service in app runner, it is going to create all this one which is in a single click. Okay. So this is the problem that it is solving currently. Okay. So what you can say what app runner is. App runner is like a forget 2.0, guys. As we see in ECS, forget is a serverless one where we can able to deploy the containers, right? Like the same where we will be configuring that auto scaling and all those stuffs. But here, what app runner is going to take care of all the things. Okay, app runner is going to take care of all the things. That is going to take care of completely load balancer from load balancer to domains. It's going to take care, right? So this is the one. You can also say that it is like a PaaS, platform as a service, that is provided by AWS, where it is going to give us a platform. Just we need to configure the some of the configurations, like what's the name of the service that you're going to give, like the CPU and memory. Okay. So next is integration. Wo- Under the integration, when you are creating the app runner, you'll be going to integrate this with the GitHub or the Docker image, which is an ECR. So if you are integrating with the Docker, you need if you are integrating with the GitHub, then you'll be going to write a Docker file because it will be going to create a Docker image and it will run. Okay. If you are integrating with the ECR, then it will be going to fetch the image and it will run inside the container, run as a container, guys. So during the creation of app runner, you will be asking this to for the source, and then they'll be asked us to create a memory, virtual CPU and memory. So these are the three things that is going to ask when you're creating the app runner services. If you give this complete three services, then it will be going to take care of all those remaining stuffs in the background. So we need not to take care of all those things because app runner is completely take care of all the things. Whenever the request come, it will scale in. High number of requests comes in, then it will be scaling and scale up automatically. Okay. So another is how it work is workflow is like just you need to configure the source, and then you need to configure the servers, vCPU and memory, which is configuration, and it's going to deploy with an URL, and this URL can be accessed from the UI, which is an user. So this is the workflow of app runner, guys. So this is about app runner. Thanks for watching this video.